how to add the white outline on your VTuber. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our VTube Studio right here. So I'm going to launch this. And then after that, once you are now here, what we are going to do is to just, of course, choose our VTuber right here. So I'm going to choose my model. So this is the model that we're going to use. So after that, once you've chosen your model, the next thing that we're going to do right here is to go into the left screen and then click the settings icon. Once you're now on the settings icon, what we're going to do next is to go here and click the camera icon on the upper left corner of the screen. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see this visual effects. So what we're going to do here is to just activate it. And then once you activate it, just click selected effects. And then once you're now here, just choose backlight and outline. After that, click select. And then in this part, what we're going to do on the effect on or off, we're going to put this into 0.5. And then we're going to put 0 on the rest of this one right here. So we're going to put 0 right here. Same goes for this one. And then once you are now on the outline size, what we're going to do is to just drag this right here. So as you can see, there's now an outline on our model. So let's say, for example, we would like to put it into 1. And then if you want to change the color, change the color right here. Let's say we want to put color white right there. And then just click OK. After you do that, just click OK once again. And then click Done. After that, as you can see, we now have this outline on our model. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to add the white outline on your VTuber.